How can you cancel your Roblox Premium? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can cancel your Roblox Premium. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. If you select the drop-down menu on the top left corner, you will be able to access the Premium feature by selecting the Get Premium option. I personally haven't accessed that feature, but if you have and you want to cancel it, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Select the settings item and click on it. After that, the settings menu will open up. Here you'll be able to see multitudes of details available like your name, your email. Then you need to go to the option called subscription located on the left hand side, and if there is any active subscriptions that you have, you can simply cancel it by selecting the cancel option. If you want to change your payment method instead of unsubscribing, then go to the option called payment methods. Here you'll be able to see all of your payment methods and you can select the one that fits you the best. And there you go. That is how you can cancel your Roblox Premium. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.